Hello, welcome back to another in-depth weather video. In this video, I'll be talking about more severe threats. If you like this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and click the bell to never miss another in-depth weather video. Now let's go in-depth. Here I am on the National Weather Service page. Things have quieted down a little bit across the nation. We still have some severe thunderstorm warnings, flood watches, flood warnings in the central part of the country. We also have some heat advisories as well. Here's the current radar. We have the remnants of Tropical Storm Cristobal, as well as our other system starting to collide here, starting to mesh, creating a huge concern for the Great Lakes region and the upper plains, the northern plains. We also have some thunderstorms down in the south. Now here is the National Hurricane Center page, just to show that here is the remnants of Cristobal. Maximum sustained winds are now at 35 miles an hour. Minimum central pressure is now 986 millibars, and it's moving north-northeast at 31 miles an hour. Now here's the Storm Prediction Center. This is day 1. As you see, highest threat is a slight risk. Day 2 is more significant with an enhanced threat near the Great Lakes region. That includes Detroit, Cleveland, Toledo. Slight risk includes Buffalo, Pittsburgh, Cincinnati, maybe parts of West Virginia, and then we have day 3, which is much less, only a marginal risk at best. Now 4 through 8 is usually this probability too low. So here we are, then 3-kilometer model, and let me click off this here. There we go. Here we are. As you can see, Cristobal moves up into Canada. This system over here starts to weaken a little bit as most of the energy starts to get contained in Cristobal. Then we start to see these thunderstorms pop up, and that's where we have our enhanced risk right in here, and that should be a pretty severe threat. We'll go back to the Storm Prediction Center here in a second to focus on that. And then just occasional lines of thunderstorms is probably the biggest risk. And let's just go back to day 2. Tornado 5%, wind 30%, and hail 15%. So the largest threat would be wind, but expect the possibility of some hail and the occasional tornado. But enhanced risk, this would be, I think this would be for the 11th. Yes, so probably the 11th would be the highest risk in the next few days. So that's all I wanted to cover, and I'm just gonna loop through this one more time. Cristobal moves out, storm weakens, then lines of thunderstorms. There was the first one right there, and here comes the second one developing through the Great Lakes regions, and then another one into the northeast. So kind of a lighter pattern now. The news is starting to dip, kind of slow down a bit, which is a good thing because it's been a pretty hectic week.